Welcome back to our channel Release on Netflix. Let's start the video now. We stay in a global push via way of means of stuff. In this capitalistic nightmare ingesting the Western global, it's simpler than ever to build up depth, experience nuggetry, and be pushed via way of means of an innate choice to have the ultra-modern system or object in which FOMO, worry of lacking out, takes over. Advertisers are sensible to this too, with 70% of virtual advert spending coming from 3 mega businesses on the top: Amazon, Google, and Facebook. I bear in mind gaining knowledge of approximately marketing in the course of my media research, magnificence, and the way advertisers tailor their content material for the exceptional sexes. For men, it's NECs of throwing in scantily clad girls draped throughout the stated object and the usage of intercourse and lust to sell. For girls, however, it's a long way greater sinister. The finger pointing and shaming are rampant, designed to show off how insufficient you are, from the eyelash extensions and hair straighteners to the emblem of lipsticks used. The whole lot right here is designed to make you experience lousy and purchase stated merchandise to experience higher. Of course, I apprehend the irony of me pronouncing this even as working on internet site with virtual commercials to hold the lighting on. However, it's the sheer overwhelming quantity of marketing in popular that's most effective getting worse. So how we will get around that? How will we prevent ourselves from falling down that desperate money-finging pit of despair? Well, minimalist Joshua and Ryan are right here to mention their piece. Also subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for more Netflix movies, web series reviews, news and updates. After decluttering their personal lives, those satisfactory pals got down to ask one easy question: how may your lifestyles be higher with much less? Across the span of 53 minutes, they set out to reply simply that, with a litany of speaking head interviews from actual humans who have taken this recommendation and decluttered their lives. It's an easy, sufficient message, riding domestic, that much less is greater and something that's exceedingly easy to do. While it's now no longer always that groundbreaking, it does have a few true factors you could use nearly to your lifestyles. Using Joshua and Ryan's example, this documentary movie is a superb start line to reciting a happier, more healthy lifestyle with much less stuff to deliver you down. However, in which the movie slips up is within inside the mental impact marketing and having stuff causes, with many humans suffering to allow move in their possessions. As a person who's lived with a hoarder, it's exceedingly hard to interrupt that cycle of purchasing, and this documentary does not dive too deeply into this effect or provide any sensible recommendation to shy away from marketing in popular. Ad blockers, for example, can paint wonders, even as surfing the internet, even as muting advert breaks on TV, a trick I use constantly, can honestly, genuinely assist keep away from a lot of marketing pressure. Thank you for watching the video till end. For more Netflix movies, web series, reviews, news and updates, please visit our website www.releaseonnetflix.com, and if you like our video, then hit the like button and share it with your friends. Also, to stay updated, please subscribe to our channel Release on Netflix.